Do you have meetings that require sharing or working together on a document, slide, or spreadsheet? If so, I'm going to show you how to make those more collaborative by using Google Meet in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. From within a Google Doc, sheet, or slide, you can join or start a Google Meet meeting. Doing this will launch the meeting in a sidebar so you can see the participants and your file at the same time. You can then share your view of the file so people can follow along. You can also send them a link to the file using the meeting chat so they can edit with you in real time. For meetings you've already joined directly in Google Meet, you can transfer these by clicking the Meet icon and selecting Bring the Call here. So there you have it. Make your meeting more collaborative by using Google Meet in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube for more tips like this.